So your company has used Robinson Creative, our design studio, before. Maybe you've done a brochure or sign. But do you really know all we do? We get multifamily. Whether existing, reposition, or new construction, there's power in a consistent story throughout all you do. Your prospects look for it, and property buyers are attracted like bees to honey. We have two different sides to our company, so we fit the best materials and products to fit your budget. Yep, with both fully custom or affordable design studio, we can get your project done on time and under budget. We do it all, wherever the community is located. Full award-winning custom campaigns, identity, signs, marketing, print, digital, and more. Just wait until you see our signature web series with incredible features that engage the prospect. Extensive SEO, and fully connected to your property software so they can apply, pick their unit, and lease at 3 p.m. or 3 a.m. We really do amazing work. We know exactly what your prospect wants. You might say we're mind readers. There's always a strategic plan for success, and we sprinkle in a little creative magic just for fun. Contact me, Ben, at Robinson Creative. I want to talk to you. Let's create some dynamic success stories together.